Hi everyone, I'm Tamsin. I'm a startup program student at SCET from Hong Kong Baptist University in Hong Kong. This semester in Berkeley is unique for me because I put forward my first startup idea and try to make it come true with my team.
Hello, I'm Chelfin. I'm a startup semester student here at the SCET. I'm from the Technical University of Denmark, and I'm really excited about being here at Berkeley because I get to work together with people from all over the world as we try to solve problems together.
Hello, my name is Onofre and I'm a startup semester student at SCET from Universidad Politécnica de Valencia, Spain. This semester at Berkeley has been exciting because besides the classes and the professors, I met incredible people from almost every country.
I enjoyed the group work and really want to realize my good ideas. And now I'm young and have nothing to lose, so it's the best time for me to put forward my startup ideas.
I really like the idea of creating something unique that has a positive impact in our society.
So the feeling that has got me hooked on entrepreneurship is that you get to create something new in basically any field where you can find some kind of problem or some process that can be smoothened out. My main motivation to come to UC Berkeley was to study at a university with a strong entrepreneurial backbone, making it possible to experience this system and participate in it.
This year, there are 3 out of 8 of Nobel Prize winners have Berkeley background, so I really want to come here to learn from them and become one of them in the future.
I thought it was a unique opportunity to go out of my comfort zone and prove myself in a competitive environment. I'm co-founder of Lisandu.com, a software as a service solution where we are helping music institutions, and we have recently reached 100 customers and 8,000 active users.
Now we are working on a kind of glasses to translate what other people are speaking into the captions to help hard of hearing people to communicate with others.
This semester I'm working on a bunch of different projects. One of them is about antennas in the SATCOM industry, where there's a huge demand for innovation in antennas as companies are putting up satellite-based internet.
There are special parking lots for Nobel Prize winners at Berkeley campus, which means there are a lot of people winning the Nobel Prize and Berkeley that appreciate their works.
I really enjoy the diversity of people on campus and also having thousands of activities on almost every field or sport.
What I find really unique about UC Berkeley is that there's this vibe of people connecting from a lot of different departments, and they have this go-do-it attitude where if they set their mind on something, they will chase it down. And that really inspires everyone else, meaning that there is this self-reinforcing effect about that if you want to do something, you can do it.